have been here long before you, before names were placed upon me, watching as we have grown together over time. You have come to know me as Grouse Mountain, but this is how I know you.
I swear I lived. Hope that you spend your days, but they all add up. And when that sun goes down, hope you raise your cup. Oh, I wish that I could witness all your joy and all your pain, but until my moment comes, I'll say I swear I lived. Every broken bone, I swear I lived.
Whatever takes you on, and you're at the gates to love. If the grass isn't greener, come back and check I'm still breathing. Whatever takes you on, and you're untouchable. Damn, how you backflip for tragic. Show 'em how the struggle made magic.
A century of stories, far too many to count. I hope you'll carry me with you, along with all the memories we've shared together. May they continue to shape us, and may we always inspire one another.